Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox Apple iWatch Series 7.
Well, before unboxing, I have to tell you this is not my very first Apple Watch experience at all. I'm already in Apple ecosystem, therefore I'm using Apple Watch Series 3 for a while. And it's swim proof and I can't swim at all. So the conclusion is the Apple Watch is a great fitness tracker with plenty of good travel apps and functionality. While its battery life is not that perfect, it does a lot and you can customize it for your needs and create different watch faces for different trips. Anyway, I have good memories with this watch. Well, this packaging is a bit different than the earlier version of mine, Apple Series 3. So this one has this kind of a new look here. I think this is also outer packaging of that watch. It's kind of hard to open for me, that I'm always been a curious opener. Okay, bam, we have opened it. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Okay, another two boxes inside of that, and cool, it's cool. We have two boxes, and one for straps, one for the watch itself. As you can see, they have implemented their new seals for these two. It was started with iPhone Series 12, as I remember. No, it comes with iPhone 13 series. Okay, let's open it up. What's this? Okay, when I comparing this with my earlier watch opening or watch unboxing, this one is kind of hard for me to open. Wow. Okay, we got our documents here. Okay, the usual documents. This one is fast charging for the iWatch, and as I know, it's faster than earlier version. Okay, let's see how this is going on my hand. Quite impressive. I bought 41mm version. Let's go to the straps. Okay guys, I think that I will upload another video for the user experience with this watch. So for today, I think this is enough for you all. Let's open it up. Okay guys, as I think it comes in okay, as usual it comes in two sizes. Then I should have tried this now. So for now, bye.